Put a finger down if you've ever walked around school with your backpack wide open. Put a finger down, embarrassing edition. If you put over 5 fingers down, you are super embarrassing. Put a finger down if you ever tripped in a public area. Put a finger down if you have ever been caught staring at someone. Put a finger down if you've ever waved at someone who wasn't actually waving at you. Put a finger down if you have ever been yelled at by the teacher in front of the whole class. Put a finger down if you've ever walked into the wrong office or classroom. Put a finger down if you've ever tripped while going up or down the stairs. Put a finger down if you've ever had your stomach make weird noises in a quiet room. Put a finger down if you've ever had your zipper down without realizing it. Put a finger down if you're embarrassing enough to not subscribe and like the video.